Hello everyone, this is a Vizio TV e550i-B2. The problem in this one, sometime the customer turn on the TV and will get no picture. And other times the TV like turns on, have the picture, then the picture completely goes black. And he still get the sound. So likely it sounds like it's a backlight issue. And let's check it. So remove the stand. And before that, so let's push the power button and see if we get the... So push the power button. See if the TV is gonna turn on. You can see the standby light. And I can see some backlight here. Yeah, there is a backlight. You can see there is the data on the screen. So we have the backlight this time, but we're still going to check why the backlight sometimes it goes off. Alright, so after I check the back cover, this is what, let me unplug it. After I check the back cover, this is what is inside the TV. We have the power board that generating the voltages from the 110 EC to a different voltages as a 3.3, 5 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt. This is the main port where the inputs, HDMIs, EVs, processor, EPROMs, NAND, like this one here, software is here. And we have this board here. This is the LED driver board that's like transferring the voltage from 12 volt or 24 volt to the LED voltage that's needs. The LEDs usually they need a high voltage, low current, low amps. Some LED drive they can generate up to 200 sometimes volt. And we have the check on board under the shell here. That's the one transferring the signal from the main board to the screen. So from what I did see before in this Vizio series, this one here, this Vizio series, usually this connector is go bad. There is a cracks, bad solder joint on these connectors. So let's see if this one is the same as the other ones or different. First, let's plug it. And so you can see the optical is on. It means the TV is turning on, I think. No backlight. Yeah, no backlight now. Completely. So at the first one I tested, it was a backlight, but now no backlight. So let's turn it on. You can see the optical goes on. It means the main board is on, but there is no backlight here. Yeah, maybe this one it has the same. So let's... Oh yeah, I see something here. So I'm gonna unplug it. Gonna hold here, make some pressure. Yeah, we still have no. So let me unplug it and we test. We check that connector. Oh yeah. Watch this connector. This one here.
Okay.
Look, it's moving completely. So here, yeah, this part here is good, but we're still gonna put more solder in it. And let's check the main board. Okay. Yeah, the connector is, you can see it how wiggles. There is no solder over there. Okay, this connector completely gone. So let's solder it. Let me show you. Here, wait. Then you go this one. Wait, like this. Okay,
Okay.
gotta go next.
It's small.
Wait. Go one by one. Put it here. Check this one. No. Okay, this one is a little bit too small for you. Okay. You need to put it like this and put a little dot. If you make a jumper, between a points in this line is okay, but just don't make a jumper like this way. Yeah, like that. Alright. Yep, it's good. So here I put the TV together, and yeah, the TV turns on now. It works. Let's move it. Backlight is still on. There is something I did see here. Yeah. So yeah, the TV works. Backlight works. There is a little discolor in here. This is, I think, is from water damage. Cause yeah, I did see the customer the day that he bring this TV in. It was a rainy day. Maybe he got some water inside the screen from that. So I'm gonna take some picture and send it to the customer. And but the backlight, it works now. This is just need to be clean. We're gonna need to take the screen apart and clean the water inside it. Well, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next one.